giving thumbs up. Mr. Tommy Ashland's got the green flag. He goes 4 up. All 4 tires are going to be burning and turning. Looking at his track. He's looking to set that mark of Pete Van Holman. Sitting there looking to the exhaust. He's got the green flag. He's got to fill that boot. All 4 wheels turning, spinning and running. Terry's over there with the outlaw. All these trucks are within call 3.6. That is a turbo inlet size. That's what they're allowed to have. And I tell you what, they weren't around it to make all that horsepower. 3.6 is pretty big. You get a lot of power out of 2.6, little underneath there. There's a lot of turbo under the hood. And he's out ready to pull this one up. Carl is living on the inside. This is Jeremy Denton, 2 to 3rd Dodge, green light. He's looking for this boat. He's working straight down that track. He don't care. Mr. John Mann's is crazy. Just wait for that thing to pull up and listen for them RPM. Incredible running inline bumping platform in this Ford. But he's pretty good to the point. He's got a steady top 3. He can hang on and fight the rest of the season. Mr. Norman Newswager, he's looking for the boost. track. All gloves are off. Last truck in the class, Mr. Team Barter. His vehicle is named Barter Turbo Service. That is also his business. He's looking for the food. He's going to get pulled up the back boat. He's got a 347.93. Hey, he's going.